Is multitasking killing your productivity? Yes and no. Yes, it's killing your productivity. No, not just your productivity, but also your brain cells. Hello, people. This is Farina Agarwal, and you're watching the Big Talk series. I'm on a mission to create a community of people who are willing to grow together. So, in this video, we are going to see how multitasking affects your work and you, and we are going to see 4 ways to correct those things. By the way, guys, if you want to see content like such in the future, I highly recommend you subscribe to the channel by clicking that icon right there and click the notification bell too. Guys, I'm not saying that you can't multitask, I'm just saying you should not. And there are actually 3 reasons for that, and those reasons are pretty good. Number 1 is obviously because it's killing our productivity. Let me explain to you how. When we switch from one task to another, our brain has to store the information of the previous task before switching on to the another task. This is called context switching. What happens is, when you switch from one task to another, our brain stores the information of the first task and it switches to the next one. So it has some problem on concentrating on the task on hand in the present while it's thinking about what happened in the past. Now, this creates a problem because it takes our brain approximately 10 minutes to concentrate on the task right in front of us. Now, if you are multitasking a lot, you are probably giving your brain too much work to do and too much information to store. So what is happening is that we are wasting more time in context switching rather than working on the task in front of us. Now, this obviously will reduce the quality of the work we are doing. By the way, I've written a blog about it. So the link to the blog is in the description box below. Do check it out. I have discussed about this in detail in that blog. So if you like, check it out. By the way, if you disagree with me, let me know in the comments. Your opinions matter to me. And if you agree with me, give me a huge yes in the comments below. Also, if this video makes sense, give me a huge thumbs up. Or you can go for a thumbs down too, that's also acceptable. Oh, by the way, guys, just to let you know, I've created a Facebook group by the name of The Big Talk, the link to which will be in the description box below. And it's a group for just a community of people who want to grow together. So if you want to join it, just click on the link below in the description. Now that we have discussed that multitasking is not good for you, how to avoid multitasking? Because yes, we are automated to multitask because we are built into that system. But now, how to correct that? Well, I have 4 ways and I'm going to share each and every one with you. Number 1 is having clarity. So the first and the most important thing is having clarity of what needs to happen first. You need to know what things need your priority first, and that's the only way you are going to combat multitasking, by avoiding something that doesn't need to happen right now. So if you're working on something and another work pops up, you need to have clarity that the other work can wait. The second one being avoid the distractions. It's quite similar to the have clarity, but avoiding distractions means actively choosing to not do something. Now, while to avoid distractions, when you're working, a lot of things can come up. You might be tempted to open another browser window. So I will recommend you using some tools that automatically close the distractions. If you open the Play Store, there will be a huge line of it. So I recommend you to use one of them. Another good tip is keeping a notepad with you. If not a notepad, then the notes section in your phone or your laptop. Now, whenever something come up in your mind and you are like you want to do it right now or you will forget about it, just write it down. So that way you won't be worried that you will forget about it, and you will remember to do it. And you will also be able to concentrate on what you are doing at hand at that point of time. The third tip is the one I'm most excited about. That's planning and calendar blocking. I'm obsessed with calendar blocking, and I will be posting a whole video of how to calendar block in the future. So be on lookout for that. So do remember to check the iCard up there. For just basics, what is calendar blocking? Setting specific blocks of time on your calendar for the work you have to do. Now, what happens by doing this is that you have clarity of what you have to do at that particular point of time. And proper planning also helps you to avoid multitasking because you know what all things you have to do in the day. Now, tip number 4. Be in the present, or as I like to call it, don't be the flash. Don't run into the future or the past and screw up the present. Well, the basic point is being in the present and concentrating on what you have right in front of you. Being in the past or the future doesn't help you in any way. So don't think about ahead in the future, what's going to happen or what's happened in the past. Just concentrate on what you have in front of you right now. So guys, if you like the video, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will be posting more videos in the future. Till then, bye bye.